everyone, it's Crazy New Mama here, and today I want to speak to you about my favourite breastfeeding product, which is the NatureBond Silicone breast pump. So I'm just going to show you how to use it. What you do is you want to make sure that it's completely sterile first, so you can use any sterilising technique that you normally do. Then you want to just make sure you pull this flange back so that it goes into this shape. And then depending on how much pressure you want, if you want a little bit less pressure, you just go to the bottom of the bottle, or if you want a higher pressure, you go to the top of the bottle, and you just squeeze, and then say this is my boob, you just pop it onto your boob and release, and then you just move the flange back over to the breast, just like this. So what will happen is this will collect the letdown on the other boob when you're feeding, and if you leave it on for like an extra 10 minutes later, you'll see that it will go that little bit more. And what you usually get is you better get a couple of ounces at a time, sometimes even more depending on how much milk flow you have. So then once you've finished, you just pull the flange back again, like so, and then it will release, nice and easy. And then you can use this to pour the milk really easily into your milk bags. Or if you wanted to keep it in the fridge for if you're going to use it in a few hours, you just literally get this little pink ball that you get with it, pop it in there, and that basically means that there's going to be no spillage. So yeah, it's really easy to use, and it's been a lifesaver through my breastfeeding journey. I don't actually think I could have got as far as I have without it. So if you're a new breastfeeder, if you're pregnant, or even if you've been breastfeeding for a few months, I would really get one of these if you haven't got one. They're literally a lifesaver. See you later.